Hi, Alex.
Yeah.
Hey, Alex. My name's Damian Tackett. I'm the underwriting manager at the insurance processing office in Columbus. And Alex, it looks like we tried to send you out some mail this last week. I just want to check your address. Nicholas Drive. Is that still good for you?
Yeah.
All right. What we have is one in Circleville.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I don't know what happened there. I apologize. It looks like we dropped the ball. What I was trying to send out was the information about the state-regulated final expense insurance you were looking into. Has anybody from my office got a hold of you, or am I the first person?
Oh no, I already have some.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
That's perfect. So this is actually going to make it quicker for the both of us. What they have me do in these kind of circumstances is I'm going to review what you have in place, make sure you're in a good place, the best price, and then I'll get you updated and off the phone. What did you put in place, Alex?
I got Aetna and something else. Remember right now.
Okay. So you have an Aetna policy in place?
Yeah.
For how much coverage, Alex?
No, that one there. No, the life insurance. You talking about the life insurance policy?
Yes.
Oh no, that's through AAA. It's for 100,000.
Okay, I gotcha. So you have your $100,000 term policy through AAA, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
About how long ago did you get that?
Oh. 6 years.
About 6 years.
Yeah,
Okay.
about 6 years.
And do you know offhand how long of a term period that was? Was it a 10-year term?
Oh, that's a good question.
I
I can't remember. I think so.
Okay. Yeah, I thought so too. A lot of those AAA policies, and it's a great policy while you have it, they're usually 10-year policies, and it looks like that you're going to be coming up here in the next 4 years to a point where it's time to renew it. The thing is, the way insurance works is it's based on your age and your health, Alex.
Yeah.
So every single year that you have a birthday, every single birthday, the policy is going to get more expensive. So
Right.
what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at what you're looking at right now and try to look at a 20-year term so that you don't have to worry about this again, okay? So, Alex, do you have any medical issues that I should know about? Do you have any heart disease?
No.
Okay. Do you have any diabetes?
No.
Do you smoke cigarettes, Alex?
No.
All right. Do you ever have any kind of liver or kidney issue?
Nope.
Take medications every day?
I just have high blood pressure pills I take.
Oh, gotcha. What do you
That's all.
take? Like a lisinopril, something like that?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I gotcha. Okay. And that $100,000 policy through AAA, how much are you paying every month for it?
Well, it just went up to 103.
103. Okay. Yeah, man, I got to be honest with you. Without even looking at too much, you're paying too much for what you have.
Yeah,
So-
I know.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to run you through the different databases and find out what could work best for you. So are you protecting a mortgage payment with the insurance, or is this just to leave behind to your family? What did you get?
Yeah, it's just leave behind.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to look at two options and give you an idea, and we'll see if either of them make sense. All right. So the first place I'm looking, and these are just quotes, since we only deal with the state regulated programs. These are just quotes at this point, okay? All right, no medical issues. What's your birth date again?
7561.
All right. Now I'm just looking at a basic 20-year term policy, so you don't have to worry about this for a long time. Right. Alright, I'm going to get you some actual numbers here. Alright. So yeah, I mean, with a 20-year term for $100,000, you're still only looking at like 60 something. So they didn't do you any favor.
No, because that's what I was paying before. And
Yeah.
it just went up this last payment. That's why I was going to call them and tell them, see what's going on.
Well, what happens is their policy, you get older. What I'm doing is I'm putting you in one that's never going to increase through the whole period of the term. All right, so I'm just looking to see if I have even a better one. All right. 07561. I said you're not a smoker. All right. No return of premium rider. Yeah, I mean, you're looking like $69 a month on this. Well, I'm gonna do. Let me see if I can actually get this approved before we start talking anything deeper. Bear with me a minute. I'm just gonna do a little more figuring. It's a good thing we caught this before the policy ran out, too. So is that why you put the request form in back when you did it, I'm guessing?
No, I was looking, there was something else that they had on TV they was advertising I was going to check out. It was extra something, money or something. I was just checking out something else. And I don't know how it came up to that, but
okay.
The life insurance policy, but it was something on mine.
Okay. All right, so I'm checking one more carrier, and then once I've found the best ones, then we can talk about it. But when you're shopping, you might as well shop them all.
Yeah.
All right. And is the 100,000 still a good amount of coverage for you?
Yeah. Later.
Okay. All right. All right, so I'm just running this last one now. What's your height and weight?
6'6", 285.
All right. Gotcha. And they didn't give you any warning that it was about to go up? It just went up?
Oh, yeah, it just went up.
So there wasn't any, nothing happened to cause anything beforehand?
No.
All right. Gotcha. All right, so well, this is the last carrier I'm running now, and then we'll see what we got. 7561. All right. 7561. I'm 62, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so I'm a young fella. I gotta respect my elders. Oh, me. Alright. And you've not used that. You've not done that. What this is going to do is this is going to give me the numbers for this one. And I think they're going to treat you the best, to tell you the truth. Alright. Alright. Just so that... Okay. Alright, I just ran the illustration. Yeah. I mean, this company is about the same. This one gives you $100,000 in term coverage, $9,000. And it doesn't add much to the policy, but for what it does add, I think it's worth putting it in. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, all of your choices are good, except keeping the overpriced policy. Do you want me to try to see if I can get this approved for you?
Yeah, go ahead and try that one.
All right, let me work on that for you. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to ask you to spell things and a little more information. That's just because I don't want to make a mistake on it. And what we're doing is we're writing this for a 20-year term period. So that would put you, yeah, I mean, that puts you in good shape. That puts you in good shape. All right, so once I get this approved, who's your beneficiary going to be?
Rebecca Johnson.